Correct. First of all, thank you for having me, Kelly. So actually, the platform, it's not that bad. I mean, if you look at the revenue itself, even though it missed analyst estimate, it's still up 300% year over year. So to me, as far as the volatility of this crypto, it's here. The platform, it still can still do quite well.
How important are NFTs as that asset class develops as well? Do you think they'll be able to move a significant amount of activity over? Because from what I've heard, it is pretty complex and convoluted to buy an NFT right now.
Yeah, I mean, from a Coinbase perspective, I think it will be a good add to Coinbase. Take OpenSea as an example. This is the largest player in this industry. They have about 260,000 monthly users. Coinbase has not launched NFT yet, but based on the signups they have about 2.5 million, 2.5 million signups so far. So, which is like 10x the current users of OpenSea. Based on our estimate, if this pace continued, it can add about 7% earnings to Coinbase bottom line in 2023. So it can be material.
Can you get any sense from the company, Owen, as to whether they've kind of calmed things down with the SEC?
So I think one key point, I think this point is also somehow underreported. It's Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong mentioned that he had a meeting with the SEC chair Gary Gensler last week. So after this tweak storm, but Coinbase still published this digital assets policy proposal. And to me, I think it's hard to predict the regulatory outcome, but this is a signal that the relationship has been improving.
Okay.
So at the end of the day, I see the path to get there.
So with the shares down 7% today, around 331, about 55 forward PE, so high but not insane. What do you think the proper valuation should be?
So I look at these on a revenue basis, not on the PE basis. I think they still trade at 11 times revenue, which is still trading at a discount compared to other fintech company, which is trading at 14, 15 times rev. So I do believe Coinbase is still a good investment for investors.
What is the favorite names that you currently have in your coverage space?
So our favorite names are S&P Global, NASDAQ, MSCI, and also Coinbase right now. I think it's a good buy.
Any comment on the NASDAQ open of this stock? You know, it took till about 1 p.m. and it's been a little soggy in its market debut.
Yeah, I mean, I think the market has been quite volatile because of the inflation, because of supply chain constraints. But I'm optimistic on the long-term investment on NASDAQ and even S&P.
All right, Owen, we'll leave it there. Thank you so much for your time today. We appreciate it.